Children's education and safety are at risk in Ganjam's Belguntha block as several Anganwadi centers continue to operate without proper buildings. For over 15 years, children have been studying in unsafe, makeshift spaces from staff members' homes to verandas and half-constructed rooms. In Tanrada Panchayat alone, 6 centers have no own buildings. The lack of infrastructure affects not only learning, but also the storage of cooked food, eggs, rice, teaching materials and play equipment. The problem is widespread, with 57 centers under 7 sectors, including Bada Bora Singh, Banka, Dhumuchai, Gangpur and Gobara, still operating in unsafe conditions. Many centers remain half-built despite government orders and allocated funds, and some locations still lack electricity. Anganwadi workers and helpers struggle daily to provide basic care and early education, raising serious concerns about children's development. Local residents warn that continued neglect could have long-term effects on children's health and learning. The sub-collector of Bhanjanagar has assured that construction of new buildings is underway, but urgent action is needed to safeguard the future of these young children.
सीडीपी मैडम आसिले जेहेतु से विपद संकुल अवस्था थिला मैडम ना कि आमको सेठू शिफ्ट करके कहले आमर वन अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर अच्छी से किसी दिन एडजस्ट करंतु एडजस्ट आम तो करूँ प्राय 4-5 वर्ष है एडजस्ट करूँ
पिला होता चाइल्डहुड समय ये कौन शिक्षा कर क्या घरे पढ़ले पुणी कौटे जाइए ये करेंगे ये चलला समस्याटा रहा सबुदिन से ब्रेन से छाप ही रहा।
से 57टा बिल्डिंग को नुआ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑलरेडी काम चली विभिन्न स्टेजेस रे कंस्ट्रक्शन काम अच्छी मो वीडियो सहित भी विषय कथा है केमती कंस्ट्रक्शन जिते शीघ्र कंप्लीट हम पिला नुआ अंगनवाड़ी बिल्डिंग पाइबे से विषय से ध्यान देवे।